Hello for all. My name is Gustavo Vargas. I am a student of environmental engineering in the last semester of the Open and Distance University. Uh, this special place for me corresponds to the city of Havana, Republic of Cuba. Uh, I visited this place in January of the year 2020. The city of Havana is located in the north of the island. It has a population of more than 2 million people. In the city, one goes, but to the past. Since there are buildings with colonial architecture and the cars are old. The people are very friendly and hospitable. I really like all the place, like the Malecon, where one can walk by the seat and feel the waves. Other place is Olaban. The architecture Spanish colonial in the center of Olabana dating about the seventh century. It includes the castle of Fort Real and the Maritime Museum. You can take good photos of the capital in all Havana. Is other place. It's not expensive to enjoy at good meal, at good drink. You can transport yourself in very cheap views and taxis. A visit to the Plaza of the Revolution in the city center should be included in the itinerary. There are unbeatable beach spots. One on the ones alight was Santa Maria Beach on the outskirts of the city. Is very place uh, the place where I feel very good. Where on the beach and in the sunset near the sea. I will go, but again, to enjoy and share with my Cuban friends. All the people in the city of Havana hate access to education, basic, secondary, technical, and professional. But there is a conformist among the population because uh, their salaries are very low compared to the other countries. Most people chose to lead the country work in hotels and tourists. There are some limitation in the economy of advance. They don't know enter industrial products, automobile parts, but they manage to keep cars running. No, knocking that they are sliding all vehicles. Uh, the 4G internet networks was implemented until the year 2020. Despite the economic inconvenience and economic recession, the people of Havana like very happy. Uh, Thank you very much for attention. I see you next time. Goodbye for all. Thank you so much. Bye bye.